There's no better time than right now to start pursuing your Certified Management Accounting credential. Let me tell you why. Most industries are continuously evolving, as technology does. This includes the accounting and finance fields. Words like AI or artificial intelligence, automation, and analytics are becoming more commonplace terminologies in the accounting field as companies are making efforts to incorporate and develop more data driven processes than ever before. As data becomes more important to business, so are the folks who can make sense of that data, CMAs. The first stop on your journey to becoming a CMA is to take the CMA exam. This exam is made up of two parts. The first focuses on financial reporting, planning, performance, and control, while the second focuses on financial decision making. The exam is comprised of 100 multiple choice questions and two 30-minute essay questions. All in all, completing this exam should take you around 3 hours. Once you get your CMA credential, you can take it just about anywhere. Tons of CPAs have their CMA credential as well, so if you're considering pursuing both your CPA and CMA licenses, that's a great move. Typically, C-suite employees like CFOs and CEOs have their CMA, and anyone from cost accountants, government, and non-for-profit employees can have their CMA too. CMAs can be found in industries from finance all the way to entertainment. Now, why should you get your CMA? Good question. Technology is transforming the profession in a bunch of really exciting ways. For example, automation is replacing some of the more repetitive processes, like amortization and depreciation or billing and accounts receivable, to name a few. Don't worry though. Technology isn't only taking away jobs. It's actually creating a lot of exciting career opportunities. For instance, data analytics and business analysis are becoming essential skills for today's employees. If you can incorporate these tools into your skill set, you can apply your data analysis knowledge to your future organization. Now, because more processes are becoming automated, there's more opportunity to think critically and strategically and make sense of all of the data that is being produced. Earning your CMA shows that you have that knowledge and skills to do this. Because of this, you stand out to hiring managers. Now, are you thinking about taking the next step and advancing your career with the CMA credential? Let us know in the comments.